Thutha wa arutwo aria mekire kigeranio gia KCSE kurekererio riu kuingira mathukuru-ini ma mathomo ma iguru ni moritio gwikirira kothi iria mareka niguo gucenjia na guthondeka miturire yao. Ni ndeto irekereirio ni Vice Chancellor wa Tech University Professor Jenga Munene guku akiuga arutwo mabati kuhuthira kothi iria mareka mundu atakurera o riria akandikwo wira.
There are no courses that are totally unimportant, but the issue of jobs of the future is that a lot of jobs will be pegged on ICT, information communication technologies. That's where most of the jobs are. And you'll be surprised, even things like medicine. Very soon you'll be wearing a watch that tells you, even currently, a watch is that will tell you your blood pressure is high. Your pulse is low. And soon you only need to prick yourself and probably have an analysis, a quick analysis of blood on tell you exactly what drugs you need to take to be able to stay alive.
Munene ihinda-ini riu ni acokeire ministry ya githomo ngatho ni undu wa kurekereria arutwo aingi aria mekuingira university-ini citari cia thirikari rita riri ukiringithania na miaka iyo ingi, akiuga uyu ni unyitaniri munene wa gutigirira gutire murutwo watigwo mucii.
For the last 5 years, the government of Kenya has sponsored students in private universities, and this has been the issue of choice. It has widened the choice of the students on the programs they can do in different universities in Kenya. So they are allowed to choose the universities they want to go to.
Thukuru wa Tech ni umwe wa mathukuru maria mekireire mathomo kuhitukira nenda na uguo kunyihia namba nene ya arutwo thukuru-ini ihinda-ini riri kuri na COVID-19. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi.